Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done several videos on text to path, and this one's going to be a little bit different. Somebody was on Facebook yesterday. They had two circles, and then they needed to put the text to path inside the circle evenly. And if you click on your text and go to text and fit text to path, when you put it in there, you see the red line. It's in the center, but it's upside down. That's what Corel does, but it's not anything wrong. All you do is mirror it both directions, mirror it horizontally and vertically, but it puts it on top. Now you could drag it down, but I find it a lot easier if you'll use the distance from path and find out which way it's going and get it, because it's going to be the same path, and get it kind of even between the two lines. And then you can use the offset and find out which way to go. And there's a little X right there showing up, and I put a line, so now you're exactly in the center of the text. It might not look like it because the top of the T is higher than it's just because it's a capital T and not, but that should be in the center of everything. You could actually do a test maybe on the bottom of the H. Well, see the T is in the center of the letter and the H is on both sides. And if you ever have trouble with two circles, you could delete the one and then do it and bring it back, or you could actually lock it. But if you're trying to put it between the two circles evenly, you want to use the offset. And if you ever mess up, click on your text, go to arrange, break text apart, then click on your text, and you can start all over by going to text and straighten text, and you're back to where you were. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.